This entire page is designed to help you fine-tune your labor rate. You're covering your expenses, you have profit, you can take care of your employees, you can pay for training, you can buy tools. All of that comes from the basics of your labor rate. Hi everybody, Ricardo from Complete Auto Reports here to show you a great new feature that we've added to car. We now have an expense ledger and a labor rate calculator to help you at your facility dial in your labor rate. You can access that by going to Reports and Statistics and then going to Business Metrics here. And this is from our basic dashboard. If you're in the business dashboard, you can simply scroll down to Business Metrics and click here. That opens up the Business Metrics page. You can collapse the side menu to get a better view. And you'll notice on the bottom right, we now have an expense ledger. Here, you can add your monthly expenses, daily, weekly, however you'd like to manage your facility and the expenses monthly against the income that you're taking in every single day. As an example, we have $15,000 set as a monthly expense, and here it is subtracting it from our profit as each day goes along and services are closed. To access the labor rate calculator, you simply click the calculator icon at the Business Metrics page, and it pulls up our labor rate calculator. Here you can fill in your hourly rate, the number of working bays you have. Working bays are described as any bay where you have a technician that can produce for 8 hours a day, preferably, and shop labor hours per day in case it's different, days per week, and if you have additional hours on Saturday and Sunday. In our test shop, we're setting our hourly rate at $145. We're going to say that we have one bay and we get 8 hours per day out of that bay. We work 5 days a week and we're open 4 hours on weekends. The system tells us that we have 184.8 billable hours, and if we were to bill at 100% efficiency, we should be taking in $26,796, which more than covers our monthly expenses. Now, if you don't operate at 100% efficiency, what can you expect to take in? With 75%, you would be billing 138.6. At 50%, you'd be billing in 92.4. And then in the last column, we have the current efficiency, which tells you your shop's numbers in the last calendar month. For this shop, we have 147.2 hours sold, which means we took in $24,407 worth of labor, which more than covered our expenses. This entire page is designed to help you fine-tune your labor rate. You're covering your expenses, you have profit, you can take care of your employees, you can pay for training, you can buy tools. All of that comes from the basics of your labor rate. If you're looking to use this at your facility, reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you at car. Thank you very much and have a great day.